Everyone thinks the best-selling motorcycle throttle lock is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Go Cruise GCA1BK. First up is the Go Cruise GCA1BK Universal Throttle Control System. Priced at $33.65, this product caught my eye because of its simplicity and ease of use. If you want a no-fuss solution for throttle control, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The Go Cruise is super easy to install. Seriously, no tools are required. It works by creating a friction fit on your throttle grip, allowing you to take your hand off the throttle without worrying about losing speed. The silicone ring is a nice touch, increasing friction and ensuring it doesn't slip, which is great if you're in a long ride. With a solid rating of 4.3 stars from 1,800 reviews, it's clearly resonating with other riders. Now, some people complained about the durability of the silicone ring over time. Here's the thing though, if you're not riding in extreme conditions, it should hold up just fine, and it's a small price to pay for such a convenient feature. This is perfect for you if you're a casual rider looking for an affordable and straightforward cruise control option. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty or if you ride in rough conditions. Now, if the Go Cruise's simplicity left you wanting more features, this next option might actually be even better for more advanced needs. Product number 2, Crampbuster CB4. Next up is the Crampbuster CB4, priced at just $10.90. This budget-friendly throttle assist really stood out to me because of its practicality and ease of use. If you're tired of hand cramps on long rides, this is worth a serious look. What's great about the Crampbuster is its universal fit. It attaches directly to your throttle grip and allows you to rest your hand comfortably while maintaining control. It's a simple, mechanical design that incorporates a lever-like structure. It's perfect for adjusting throttle with minimal effort, and its 4.4-star rating from over 4,300 reviews shows it's a hit among riders. Here's why this matters. You can ride for hours without the strain on your wrist, which is especially helpful on long trips. However, some users mention that it can take a bit of time to get used to the feel of it. I'll be real with you, if you're expecting instant relief, it might require a little adjustment. But once you get it down, it's a total lifesaver. This is perfect for you if you want an inexpensive and effective way to reduce hand fatigue on long rides. Skip this one if you prefer a more integrated throttle control solution. If the Crampbuster's learning curve concerns you, the next product is designed to offer a seamless experience. Product number 3, Atlas Bottom Kit. Now let's talk about the Atlas Throttle Lock Bottom Kit, priced at $155. This one caught my attention due to its sturdy build and advanced features. If you're serious about long-distance riding, this is worth a serious look. The Atlas is thumb-activated, allowing you to adjust your speed without taking your hand off the throttle. You can make adjustments while it's engaged, which is super handy for maintaining speed on those long stretches of highway. It's made from stainless steel, ensuring durability, and it's rated 4.1 stars from over 1,300 reviews. Here's why this matters. You retain complete throttle control whether it's engaged or not, which is a game changer when you need to react quickly. Some users did mention that the installation can be a bit tricky if you're not mechanically inclined. But honestly, if you dedicate a little time to it, you'll find it's well worth the effort for the comfort it provides. This is perfect for you if you're a long-distance rider who values adjustability and control. Skip this one if you're looking for a plug-and-play solution without the installation hassle. Now, if you need something specifically designed for metric cruisers, the next product is a fantastic fit. Product number 4, Atlas Top Kit. Next, we have the Atlas Throttle Lock Top Kit, also priced at $155. I was intrigued by its extensive compatibility with various motorcycle models. If you own a specific bike model and want a tailored solution, this is worth a serious look. Like the bottom kit, the Atlas Top employs a thumb-activated mechanism for easy speed adjustments. The stainless steel design is not just durable but also looks sleek on your bike. It has a 3.9-star rating from 1,400 reviews, showing that many riders appreciate its fitment options. Here's why this matters. It's designed specifically for various models, making it an excellent choice if you want a perfect fit without compromising on functionality. However, some writers reported that it requires careful installation to ensure proper fitment. I'll be honest, if you're not comfortable with DIY projects, it might be a bit daunting. But if you follow the provided fitment guide, it could save you a ton of hassle in the long run. This is perfect for you if you ride a specific motorcycle model and want a custom solution. Skip this one if you prefer a more universal fit without installation challenges. If you're looking for something more advanced and specific to cruisers, the last product might just be your best bet. Product number 5, Breakaway 7 CP01. Finally, we have the Breakaway 7 CP01 priced at $199. This one grabbed my attention because of its premium build quality and immediate release features. If you want the best of the best for your metric cruiser, this is worth a serious look. Made in the USA, this throttle lock offers immediate release with either the front brake or a manual lever. You can adjust the throttle to any position while engaged, which gives you unparalleled control during your rides. It's rated 4.6 stars from 295 reviews, showcasing its popularity. Here's why this matters. The ability to release immediately can be a lifesaver in emergency situations, making it a safer option for those long rides. However, some users have noted that it may not be compatible with heated grips or bikes older than 1996. Honestly, if you own a newer model, this shouldn't be an issue, but if you have an older bike, it's definitely something to consider. This is perfect for you if you value safety and control in your rides. Skip this one if you have an older motorcycle or heated grips that it won't fit. In terms of value for money, it might be pricier, but the safety features make it a worthwhile investment. So to recap, we've looked at the Go Cruise for its simplicity, the budget-friendly cramp buster, the adjustable Atlas bottom kit, the specific fit Atlas top kit, and the premium Breakaway 7 CP01. Each one has its strengths, so think about what features matter most for your riding style. Choose wisely and enjoy those long rides.